Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra at home. First, understand that building a car from the ground up is an incredibly ambitious undertaking. It requires a deep understanding of automotive engineering, significant financial investment, and access to specialized tools. Replicating a high-performance vehicle like a modern Toyota Supra presents unique challenges due to its advanced design and technology. To even begin, you'll need to source major components like a chassis, engine, and transmission, which alone can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Beyond parts, you must possess advanced skills in metal fabrication, precision welding, and complex automotive electrical systems. Without a fully equipped workshop and years of experience, achieving a functional and safe vehicle is nearly impossible. Beyond the build itself, you face significant legal and safety hurdles. Homemade vehicles must comply with strict government regulations regarding safety, emissions, and roadworthiness. Registering a custom-built car can be a lengthy and complicated process, often requiring multiple inspections and certifications. Prioritizing structural integrity and passenger safety is paramount throughout the entire construction. Instead of building from scratch, consider more practical alternatives. Restoring an older generation Toyota Supra can be a fulfilling project, allowing you to learn about its mechanics. Alternatively, building a high-quality kit car or a replica provides a more manageable and often safer path to owning a custom vehicle. Remember, financial planning is key for any large project. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.